Welcome to Geospatial Academic tutorial. Today I will show you model builder. First open ArcGIS, then add the input data. Select Somali town, Somali road, Fafan zone, then add. Now this one is input data. By using a model, select model builder, then drag the required data, drag and drop Somali road, then go to ArcToolbox proximity buffer, then drag and drop buffer into the model builder window, then connect by connecting tool. Click connect. Input data Somali road, output Somali road buffer. Save. Unit linear 5 kilometer into measurement kilometer. Up, then apply. Okay. Run. Select run to click. Then completed. Close. Go to ArcToolbox. Then extract. Drag extract. Click connecting tool. Then connect. Right click clip, then open. Clip feature, Fafan zone, output folder, paste, Fafan zone road, save, then apply. Okay. Now this is ready to model builder. Then select run, then complete model builder. The remaining one, go to ArcToolbox, then overlay analyze, erase, drag and drop erase tool, then right click open, input Somali road, erase feature Fafan zone, then output folders, paste Fafan road erase, and save. Okay. Then run completed. Close. This is the output result by using model builder. Finally, save as. Go to save as, then file name Somali model, then save. Close. Then this Somali road buffer, the Fafan road erase. This one is Fafan road clip. It's all about today class. Thank you.